Hey everyone, welcome back to Drew Tutorial. If you're new here, special welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to appear offline on Instagram. So first, open Instagram app and go to your profile. Next, tap the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. So once you're on settings and activity, scroll down and go to how others can interact with you. Then just select messages and story replies. Then look for show activity status and tap on it. Now simply turn off the show activity status option. So toggle it off just like so. So once it's turned off, other Instagram users won't be able to see your active status or when you were last active.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
So you can now use Instagram without appearing online to other people. So again, just go to settings and activity, then scroll down to how others can interact with you, and below that, just click messages and story replies. Then look for show activity status at the center, click on it, and just toggle it off to disable it. And that's it. So that's how you can appear offline on Instagram. Thanks for watching.